at the end to wrap it up. That's just our intro. But I'm going to show you some quick tricks on the computer that you may not know. I'm going to show you 5 quick tricks. So one of them is if you hold down the shift key on your computer, on your Windows computer, and you press X, shift X. So I am showing a different screen now, so let me do that. So it's going to be, sorry, not shift but Windows X. If you press Windows X on your computer, Windows X. Alright, this is showing on a different screen, so why don't I start with something that can show on the screen. So what you can do is when you click on the start button, you type run. So RUN, and then you hit enter. Whatever opens up, so you're gonna type %, then temp, TEMP, and then another %. When you click on OK, it's going to see some temporary files that are saved on your computer that are not necessary. So do Control A to select all of them, Shift Delete to delete all of them. 464 files will be deleted. Some of them might not go out, but the ones that go out, you delete them. These are temporary files downloaded when you visited some websites. Alright, so that's trick number 1, or a hack number 1. If your computer is always slowed down, this is one of the reasons. So do this to all of them. I'm gonna try it. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to skip all of them. The ones that wouldn't delete, I skip them. Alright, that's trick number 1. Trick number 2, we're gonna do the same process again. Window R, and then you type prefetch. So while this is running, we can do that. Window, you're gonna type run, and then when you open that, you type prefetch, PREFETCH, prefetch. You're gonna get some of the files that are fetched each time you went to the internet that are used to populate the pages you want to load before you even get there. So I'm gonna just do the same thing, Control A, Shift Delete to delete 329 files. I'm gonna do this to all of them, skip. Alright, so these ones won't go out, so I'm gonna close the ones that won't go out. So this is trick number 2. Trick number 3 is if I want to do a screen capture at any point. So I'm gonna open a website. Let's just open a website, and I'm gonna show you something quickly once it loads. Alright, so I'm just gonna load an image. Just say, okay, yeah, let's just do this. Not now. Let's say I want to get a screenshot of this. What you can do is you hold down the window key, then the shift, and then S. Window Shift plus S, and then it will enable you to start making a selection. So I can select this, and then have screen capture that. You can paste it anywhere, and then you have that ready to go. So let me do paint, window, then I'm going to type paint, open paint, and I can paste what I just screen captured. That's trick number 3. Number 4 and 5, I want to show you. Let's see if we can do it now. Window X, yeah. So when you press Window and X on your computer, you see this menu. Now I can just quickly do something. So let's say I want to open PowerShell admin. I do Window XA, it will open right away to PowerShell admin, right? And then I can, if I want to shut down, I can do Window XU, and then it will give me the shutdown menu. But if I want to shut down quickly, I can just do it fast, Window XUU, and then it will shut down. But I don't want to do that, so I want to show you the trick behind that. So Window X, this menu that comes up, anything that is underlined, when you press the letter, it will launch that for you. So if I do Window XF, it will open apps and features. Window XB will open mobility center, or power options, view, event view, and so on and so forth. For shutdown, it is U that is underlined, and then when I do U again, it will shut down, S will sleep, G will sign out, and R will restart. So this is the other trick that you need to know on your computer. The last but not the least is if I want to record something, if I want to start recording something, you can type Windows Shift H. Also, let me do that quickly here. Windows Shift H, and sorry, where is that? Okay, I need to open something. Windows Shift H. Can I open a text? Let's open a text document. And some of these are just the quick shortcuts that you can use to make you more efficient with your computer. So let's do this. Now I need to sign in. I don't want to sign in. Oh no. All right. So let me give you another trick in place of that, because so on your computer, on your keyboard, you have some shortcuts already, like print screen. So you can press function print screen to print the screen if you want to print screen, but you can just use what we did earlier on, Windows Shift S, to enable that, and then you can draw the area you want to. There's a free form, there is a snipping tool, and then there is also full screen snip. You can do all that. The audio activation is what I'm trying to enable right now, and I'm not getting it quickly, so let's do that. So let's do that. I'm going to open the Word document one more time. All right, sign in. I don't want to sign in, so I have to close. All right, so let's do those few tricks I've shown you. I think they are way more than 5 now. So remember, Windows X will give you all these other options. I wanted to add another option, but I need to have a computer that has Word document I can record audio on, so I can show you how to use that. Let me try it on Chrome. So this is Drive. I was supposed to be signing, and this will be our last scene here. I'm supposed to be signing to do this one. All right, new. Let's see if it works here. So all right, so let me show you quickly one other trick here is anytime you click on the tools, the combinations of letters here are the options you can use to call up the functions. These are the shortcuts to call up the functions. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day right now, and we'll talk to you in the next one. All right, bye bye.